There's nothing quite like a warm bowl of soup on a chilly evening. It's like a big hug from the inside out. Herbal chicken soup is my go-to comfort food. It's super easy to make, and it makes you feel good. Packed with veggies and lean chicken, it's a healthy and delicious meal. Let's get cooking. This soup is not just tasty, it's good for you too. Chicken soup is known to help fight colds. The herbs add extra flavor and goodness. And the best part? You can easily customize it with your favorite vegetables. Let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, this is a simple recipe. You will need chicken pieces. I like drumsticks and thighs. Chicken broth, low sodium is best. Carrots, chopped celery stalks, chopped onion, diced garlic cloves, minced fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, parsley, salt and pepper to taste. See? Simple ingredients for a delicious soup. You probably have most of these in your kitchen already. Now for the fun part, cooking. First, grab a large pot. Heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are lightly browned. This adds lovely flavor. Next, add the diced onion, carrots, and celery. Cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. Now, add the minced garlic. Cook for another minute until fragrant. Can you smell that? Pour in the chicken broth. Add the fresh herbs. Season with salt and pepper. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. While the soup is simmering, I like to prepare some crusty bread for dipping. It's the perfect accompaniment. Just slice a baguette, drizzle with olive oil, and bake until golden. Just before serving, remove the chicken pieces and shred the meat. Add the shredded chicken back into the soup. For an extra flavor boost, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs. There you have it, a comforting and flavorful herbal chicken soup. Enjoy!